Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sew an invisible zipper step by step. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's get started. So the first thing I will do is to mark out where my zipper will be ending. So for this zipper length, I'll be using a size 24 zip length. Then I'll be marking out 23 inches. Hope you understand. Then I'll stitch that part. So for us to face this zip nicely, I'll first of all use my chalk to mark out the part that I'll be putting this zipper. So that way I'll get a straight line while fixing it. So you open up the zip this way, are you seeing? Then place it just the way you see me do. Then I'll be using my pin to secure it. So just watch how I'm doing it and do the same. If you follow this method, you are going to get a perfect invisible zip. So after pinning, I'll now go ahead to secure this thing. So I'll be sewing the side of the zipper first. So just sew it the way you're seeing me do. Just sew the side first. So that way we'll be able to hold it down before we'll be able to sew the zipper, the invisible part of the zip. So just hold it down by the side first. So after doing that, you also do the same thing on the other side too. I hope you understand. So just watch and see what I'm doing. And don't forget to stitch after sewing each line. So hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Go ahead and secure the other side of the zip. Then I'll now stitch. Always stitch at the side first. Are you seeing? So that's what I'm doing here. So I'll go ahead and stitch the other side of it the same way I did on the first part. So after stitching, this is what it looks like. And this is not the right way to fix your invisible zipper. Are you seeing? So I'll go ahead and open it up. So just watch. You see how I'm going to now sew it now to get the correct way. So after stitching the side, you open it up. Are you seeing? We now open up this zip and sew that side that you see me showing you. Just watch. Are you seeing? Just use one of your fingers to push the zipper. I hope you see what I'm doing well. So just use one of your fingers using to control it, open it. And this method is without a zip footer. So you just need to do it gently. Are you seeing? Just sew that side there gently, close to the teeth of that zip. Are you seeing? So just sew it there. So you need to sew it gently so that your thread will not enter that zip. Are you seeing? Because once your thread gets to that zip, you'll not be able to zip this dress properly. That's why I find out that after making visible zip, if you try to zip it, it will not lock because there's thread there. So you just need to be careful while doing this. So don't rush try fixing an invisible zipper. I say just do it gently, you get it. So just watch how I'm doing it. So once you get to this part here, you notice that it cannot move again. Remember, you're not using an invisible footer. So you can just raise it up. Are you seeing? Then zip it back towards the end. Are you seeing? Then you gently put your machine on top of the zipper. Then continue sewing by the side. Gently then you stitch. So are you seeing how one side look? Then you go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Just gently sew it from the down part. Are you seeing? Watch what I'm doing now. Close it up, sew it to some extent, at least like 1 inch or 1.5. So after sewing, then you zip it down. Are you seeing? Then you continue doing. so that way you get it. This is one of the simplest method of fixing invisible zipper. So just watch. Hope you find this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. Help me share this video so that others see how to fix this zipper in an easy way. So just repeat the same process. Are you seeing? Just use one of your fingers to open up the zip. So you see that because we first of all secure the other side, it's not making it easy for us to sew our invisible zipper. That way the zip will not shift. Are you seeing? So that's just one of the easier way to do it. Then use your hand to open it up. Then you gently do it. So just watch, you see how it looks like after doing the zipper. So this method is if you are not using an invisible footer, so you can still fix your invisible zip. Are you seeing? So this is what it looks like. It's coming out nice, and you see that our zip is not showing. So the next thing is to now neatly finish this area. Are you seeing? So I'll just fold this to the other side, then fold it again the way I say me do. Make sure your zip are inside nicely, then you top stitch just small. I see. So I also do the same thing on the other side too. So that's it. So after doing this, you just go ahead and iron it nicely, and that's your invisible zipper looking nice. Like you seeing it, just go ahead and iron it. Thanks for watching.